We made 4 fake adverts for Stranger Things and Coca-Cola, trying our best to match it to the show's actual aesthetic with as many props and costumes and visual style as we could, in the hopes that it could convince people that these were real adverts. If you're wondering why anyone would make a fake advert, it's because in the advertising world there's something called a spec ad. And a spec ad is a speculative, non-funded ad that you just kind of make on your own accord. And there's 2 reasons you would do this. The first reason, which doesn't have a great success rate, is hoping that you can acquire an actual deal with the brand you've made a video around.
Son of a bitch.
And the second reason you would do it would be to showcase your skills, your style, your talent, and hopefully that then garners attention from advertising agencies. So basically you make fake ads for real companies in hopes that other real companies will let you make real ads for their company. In part 2, I'll explain why we specifically chose Stranger Things and Coca-Cola.